Welcome to Essey Engineering Company, manufacturer and wholesaler of tractor attachments. The company was established in the year 1981. Our in-house design unit and team of skilled marketing executives have helped us to earn clients across the globe. Customized products, excellent infrastructure and expert workforce are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a wide array of mini, front-end and cotton loaders. Our front-end loaders are well known for their outstanding performance. Mini and cotton loaders offered by us are widely appreciated in the market. Our bagasse loaders and front-end loader attachments are a class apart. We also provide loader backhoe and mini loader backhoe attachment that are extremely reliable. Along with that, we offer bale grapplers that are best in the industry. To get more details, please visit our website www.essayloader.com.